Since we've been creating software since 1999, which is not a very long time for the overall software industry, we've taken the current approach, or a new approach to pricing software. Much like internet providers with phone service, where they are offering you one fee, $30 or $50 a month, and you can phone anywhere, and there is no nickels and dime charges such as by the minute or by service such as call waiting, call forwarding, and so on. So now in the software business, they do the same thing, and it probably stems from the early 80s when it actually cost more to have more users or cost more to store more information. Whereas today, it really doesn't cost any more because of the bandwidth. So let's have a look at how we have simplified the pricing for CIS and compare it to some of our other competitors. Let's have a look at the CIS price structure. It's very simple. Upfront cost of CIS, $5,000. All modules, as many users as you like. Monthly support fee, $385 per month. Now, let's look at example of other softwares and compare it to CIS. If you're implementing a quality management system, and if you have electronic procedures and work instructions controlled by this system, would it not make sense that you want all your employees to have access and therefore all of them participating at the same time? I think so. CIS and our team think so. That's why we're not going to charge by users. It's simply one fee. So let's have a look at how some of these companies charge. They always offer a core package in case, in this particular example, nonconformity, corrective action, preventive action, document control, and so on. And that costs for the core kit $5,000 for one user. Now, for each additional user, it's $1,500. They then charge for additional modules such as auditing, education, safety, web-based surveys, inspections, and so on. Of course, this brings up the initial price, or the upfront cost of the software, from $5,000 to $10,000, $12,000. And don't forget the $1,500 for each additional user. So if you had 100 people in your company that you wanted to have access to your procedures and use the software, then that would be $1,500 times 100 up front. They then take that overall cost and charge 18% per year, which is paid on a monthly basis, which would include their support fees. But it doesn't include revisions to the software or future revisions. They charge for that too. In summary, if we take a sample of the cost over 5 years for 3 different user selections, 50 users, which is a small to medium-sized company, 100 users, medium, getting to the large size, and of course 500 users for a large-sized company, we'll notice that CIS software is $28,100 for all 3 examples. And that's the total cost over 5 years, including all future revisions and changes and fixes and support and documents uploaded, backed up, and so on. In the other types of calculations with the other software providers, then we're looking at 50 users, $165,000, 100 users, $307,000, and for 500 users, we're looking at $1.5 million. I feel that's a lot of money for software. In conclusion, I think it's important to note that we are focused at providing a software service to help our customers succeed. We don't want to put our customers in a position where they have to limit access to a management system based on price. Because really, the true formula for success in this business is that everybody in management participate. So we're trying to make it easy. We're giving one simple upfront cost. We're giving all the support, all the training videos online, and a simple monthly payment to ensure that everybody in your company has an opportunity to succeed. Because we're looking for customers for life. Take the time, learn about CIS software. You'll see that we are very flexible and we encompass all of your needs under one simple to use software package, CIS.